Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello, everyone. And hello, Nexo. This is an English vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn new words.
Today, we will learn words from this category. Small objects with words like key and coin.
That sounds useful. Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Words. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the words.
Great. I will listen carefully.
Small objects. Key. Key. Coin. Coin. Pen. Pen. Pencil. Pencil. Watch. Watch. Phone. Phone. Cup. Cup. Button. Button. Ring. Ring. Toy. Toy. Card. Card. Box. Box.
I know many small objects now.
Now we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary learned. Nexo, match the image with the correct word.
Pen. Coin. Box. Key. What is this? Key. What is this? Coin. What is this? Pen. Phone. Pencil. Watch. Button. What is this? Pencil. What is this? Watch. What is this? Phone. Pen. Button. Cup. Ring. What is this? Cup. What is this? Button. What is this? Ring. box, ring,
toy,
card. What is this?
toy,
What is this? Card. What is this? Box.
How was the quiz, Nexo? Now, let's hear the vocabulary in context.
It was good, Emma. I want to hear the sentences.
Small objects. Key. The key is on the table. The key is on the table. Coin. I have 1 coin. I have 1 coin. Pen. The pen is blue. The pen is blue. Pencil. This pencil is short. This pencil is short. Watch. My watch is small. My watch is small. Phone. The phone is in my bag. The phone is in my bag. Cup. The cup is white. The cup is white. Button. The button is red. The button is red. Ring. The ring is on the hand. The ring is on the hand.
Toy,
The toy is on the floor. The toy is on the floor. Card. This card is green. This card is green. Box. The box is small. The box is small.
Now it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I will choose the correct sentence.
The key is on the table. C. I have 1 coin. B. The pen is blue. A. This pencil is short. A. My watch is small. B. The phone is in my bag. C. The cup is white. B. The button is red. B. The ring is on the hand. C. The toy is on the floor. B. This card is green. A. The box is small. B.
This class was simple and useful.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson. This class helped us learn small objects. Goodbye, listeners, and continue with the next lesson.